Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Who are you going to vote for? Who are you going to vote for? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now? When do they meet? When do they meet? Or we can say, when they meet. When they meet. Let us go by bus. Let us go by bus. It's very hard to know what the truth is. It's very hard to know what the truth is. How is it going? How is it going? Why do you chatter? Why do you chatter? No one could do it. No one could do it. Oh, that sounds like fun. Oh, that sounds like fun. It is time to get up. It is time to get up. Is there anyone you like? Is there anyone you like? You may go now. You may go now. This is for you. This is for you. How much is it? How much is it? It is you who have done it. It is you who have done it. This is very good for you. This is very good for you. It is nearly midnight. It is nearly midnight. Will you do a thing? Will you do a thing? I am waiting for a friend. I am waiting for a friend. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. Or we can say, this is quite difficult to get a job right now. This is quite difficult to get a job right now. Sit a little longer. Sit a little longer. Please stay a little more. Please stay a little more. I am going shopping. I am going shopping. As much as I know. As much as I know. As far as I know. As far as I know. I like basketball. I like basketball. I am very tired. I am very tired. May I sit here? May I sit here? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? I want this shirt. I want this shirt. This is just the shirt I want. This is just the shirt I want. I have been studying English for 10 years. I have been studying English for 10 years. I have no choice. I have no choice. I don't have an extra pen. I don't have an extra pen. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Good to see you. Good to see you. Well, allow me to go. Well, allow me to go. What's up? What's up? Please have a cold drink. Please have a cold drink. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.